Today, we're learning a cool editing trick: how to reverse a video in CapCut on your phone. This is a fantastic way to add a fun and creative touch to your videos. So, let's jump in. Alright, first things first, launch CapCut on your phone. You can either start a new project by tapping New Project, or if you're already working on something, like I do, just open that project. Here, you can see your video on the CapCut timeline. Now, give it a tap. Here's where the magic happens. Look at the bottom menu bar of your screen. You'll see a bunch of editing options like split, speed, and volume. We want to reverse the video, so slide this bar all the way to the right until you see an icon that looks like a play button with a circle around it. That's our reverse button. Just tap that reverse button, and CapCut will work its wonders. It might take a few seconds depending on the length of your video, but CapCut will automatically reverse the clip. Now you can preview your reversed video by tapping the play button in the center. If you like it, you're ready to export. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and hit the export icon. CapCut will save your reversed video to your phone's gallery. And that's it. You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut on your phone. If you have any questions about reversing videos or CapCut editing in general, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative editing tutorials.